Friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. As we all know that COVID vaccination is just begun. Now the citizens above the age of 60 years are giving the vaccination. So only small percentage of the total population of India is taken the vaccination, and there is 99.5% is yet to take the vaccination. So which companies or which sector will benefit from this COVID vaccination? Everyone is going after the big pharma companies, expecting so many companies to manufacture this vaccination and will be successful. But I am going after the companies which manufacture the devices, medical device manufacturing companies. It will certainly benefit from this space, because whoever manufactures the vaccine, it needs syringes, needles, etc. to inject. So the medical device manufacturing company had a great scope. Within 1 year, the profit of many of the companies will be manifold. So I studied about that sector as a whole and identified a company which I think will benefit most from this field and can give 30-40% position in the share market. The name of the company is Poly Medicure Limited. Global market of this sector is as a whole is US dollar 300 billion. But in India, the present value, the present market of this medical device company is only 15 to 16 US dollar already. So as we consider the population of India, this is just a beginning, and this company had enough room to grow. Okay. And as per study, it is said that this sector is growing 15.8% an annual compound growth. This company had 8 plants, 5 in India and rest of 3 in outside India, 1 in Italy, other in China and 3rd in Egypt. And this company is going to add 1 more plant in the end of financial year. And the company is planning 2 new greenfield projects by the end of 2022 also. The result of the company quarter to quarter is improving. When we compare the result of December 2020, it is very good. There is 30-40% appreciation. And when compared to the December 2019 quarter, the promoters are holding 46.7% in the company. The face value of the company is rupees. This company is manufacturing the single-use dialyzer, and this is the first company which manufactures this single-use dialyzer, is used for dialysis, and this company is going to manufacture the dialysis machine also. The benefit of this will come in coming years. As we all know that after Corona, there will be widely use of gloves, masks, etc. These all items, including PPE kit, also is manufactured by this company. So as a leader, this product is manufactured by so many companies in India, but as a giant, the product of this company will be highlighted in the market as a brand, as the brand name is well known to every Indian. And I expect this company the share price of the company will cross 1,200 rupees in a 1 year time frame. But at present, this share price of the company is run up a lot. I had actually recommended this share at the rate of 360-370 rupees to my clients. I had not given any video about this share, and they are sitting in profit, and I asked everyone to hold the share till it reaches the rate of 1,200. So the fair value at which we can enter into the share is I think 740 to 760 range, because after a long run up, this share may show some correction in this market, and after seeing the March quarter result also, we can get a clear picture about this company. So the range tender is 740 to 770 range, and I expect 1200 rupees for long term. This is long term purpose only. And I had talking about a Telegram group last week. So I put my link of to my Telegram group in my description. The person who are interested to join can join my Telegram group. Why I get an idea about Telegram group is that one Mr. Hafsal he called me and asked to study about material titanate, chemical titanate, and he asked me to check whether this titanate was manufactured by any company. So I Google and find out that one company is manufacturing, but it is not listed. Actually, I don't know what is titanate. What is that? What is that material? So I called him and asked, and tell him that I find out one company, but it was not listed. And I asked him what is titanate. So he is saying that in electrical vehicles, not lithium-ion batteries used in future. Titanate lithium-ion battery will be used. So when this company will, any company which manufactures titanium will be listed, it will be the most benefit in the market. So I feel that there are so many people who are identifying so many sectors, so many products, so many companies in this young age itself. So if we can able to start a Telegram group, we can discuss about that and we can open our minds. So we can able to find out this type of companies such as young stage, and everyone in our group can become a we can get a multi-bagger and become a millionaire. I think so. So that's why I interested to start my Telegram group. So those who are interested can go to my link and join me. Okay. Anyway, as I always said, this is my personal view about the company. So you please take your advice from your advisors before investing in this share. If anyone not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, share to your friends or relatives. I like it. Thank you very much.